Hi everyone, today number 28 of #CodeTour. In today's video, I am going to show you the every function from the arrays module. In last video, we saw the sum function, so I thought it would be nice to show the every function in this one. Let me go ahead and put it here. So in the last video, if we go back, we saw the sum function, and in this one, we're going to see every. So in the last one, if at least one of them was true, then everything was true. And in this one, we have to verify each one of them to make sure that this is true. So for example, here we have an array of ones, and we are saying every value equals to 1. This is true. All of them are ones. Same with this, because we only have one, and then every single value equals to 1. Now for the error ones, we have, for example, 1, 2, and 3 in an array. And now this is saying every, and I will show you the logs in a second. Now this is saying, this is trying to get the odd numbers. So if every single number is an odd number, this is going to be true. Otherwise, it's going to be false. In this case, we have an odd, and then we have a pair, so it should stop at 2. Let me see the logs. And yes, we only have 1 and 2. So it doesn't need to check the third number because it already knows that not all of them are odd numbers. So it doesn't even try to do the third one. Then on this one, we have 1, 1, 0. And this is saying every value equals to 1. And again, we do have 2 ones, but then the third one is a 0, so this is false. We have false, false, and then this one is 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. And now this is saying should stop at 0, because this is again trying to check if this is an odd number. So 0 is not an odd number, and 1 is an odd number, but it should just evaluate the first one. It evaluates the first one and it knows that this is not true. So this is false. And if this is false, then all of the expression is false because not every single one of them are true. Now we have 1, 2, 3. And this is checking if every single value is equal to 1. And this is false, again, because we only have 1, 1, but then we have 2 and 3. So not exactly all of them are 1. And finally, we have array 0, which is an array of numbers, but it's an empty array of numbers. So this is checking if every single value is true. And this is true. That is interesting. But it is empty. What if I put false? Still true. Well, that is something that I didn't know as well. But yes, this is how you can do that. And you can also use like strings or stuff like that. You don't have to use numbers specifically. So let me erase this and then let me do, for example, A, B, C. Oh, sorry, it has to be an array. A, B, C, D, E, F. And then if I do every, oops, I don't want to see the whole expression. So every $sign equals to ABC. Then this is going to be false because we have an ABC and a DEF. But if I put this one here, then this is true. But what if I go back to DEF and then put an A here? And then I say every contains A. And this is true because every string contains an A. If I take out the A, then this is going to be false. So yes, you can also use this. It has to be an array of stuff because every is supposed to accept an array according to the documentation, as you can see here. But the array can be of whatever. So it can be numbers, dates, strings, more arrays, however you want to use this. And that is all for this video. I hope you like it. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to do anything else. Follow me on socials at Martinez and subscribe right here. See you in the next video.